Hi everyone. So you have finally decided to ditch the old conventional, messy, non-eco-friendly way of applying your laminate glue using contact adhesive. And you have finally decided to go with the Worth web spray. Excellent choice. So in the next video, I'll briefly take you through the exact steps of applying this adhesive. Firstly, this product is available in the 500 milliliter tins, but also in the 22 liter canister, which will require your high pressure gun and pipe if you want to make a substantial saving. Right, let's get to it. Firstly, before I apply my adhesive, like with any adhesive, surface preparation is key. So what I want to do is with my wooden surfaces is simply wipe it with a cloth. If you were to apply the adhesive on a metal surface, we highly recommend that you use a metal cleaner like Benzene or acetone, or even the Worth activating metal cleaner. Right, okay, so firstly what I want to do is what we call a picture frame. I'm going to apply a picture frame to the edges and the corners of my two surfaces, and this is to make absolutely sure that I get enough adhesive on the corners and the edges, because that is generally where an adhesive tends to pull loose first. Right, once I've done that, I am going to go over my picture frame again with a 50 to 60% overlap. Also note that I'm spraying this adhesive from between 20 to 30 centimeters away. If I spray it too close, I'll be stuck with all the solvent. If I spray it from too far, I'll get what I call telegraphing. Okay, so my other surface I'm going to spray in the opposite direction, and this is what we call cross bonding. So after I've applied my adhesive, I need to wait for approximately 3 to 5 minutes for the solvents or the propellant to flash off. 3 minutes in the summer, 5 minutes in the winter. Okay, now that we've waited for a 3-minute period, if you are slightly worried about a bit of overspray, we sell a fantastic product called Industry Cleaner, which will get rid of your overspray immediately. Okay, so what I want to do now with my two surfaces is apply it straight on top of each other. What I would also require in some cases is a laminating roller for your high pressure laminates, but in this case I am going to utilize the Worth Simplex soft hammer to apply impact. And you're absolutely ready to go.